Precision repair for every care. Hexagon Healthcare. Uncrating equipment. When equipment is shipped from the manufacturer, it is packaged in large, reinforced crates to ensure safe shipping. This special pack aging is no longer necessary once the equipment is safely in the dealer's warehouse. By uncrating the equipment, the service engineer can then carefully inspect each item for damage. Furthermore, the equipment can also be transported more easily to the site without the bulky crates. Usually, there is not enough space available at the installation site for these crates anyway. Before the equipment is uncrated, a visual inspection of the crate itself should be performed. A damaged crate indicates mishandling during shipping and possible damage to equipment. Any damaged crates should have been documented at the time they were delivered. For insurance purposes, once the equipment is out of the crate, the engineer should look for any signs of physical damage due to faulty manufacturing or shipping. These signs include dents or scratches on the equipment surfaces and any damaged or missing hardware. In addition, the condition of the paint on each device should be checked for uniformity and the correct color must be verified. All moving parts for each device should be checked for smooth operation and the bearings and bearing tracks also inspected. The hardware and brackets for each piece of equipment should be inspected and tightened if necessary.